What's up? Welcome to another one. Let's hit it. Today, we're doing something pretty exciting. That's right. Carbon fiber hood is going on. I'm alone today. I don't have a second set of hands, but I'm gonna do my best to get this on, get it all lined up. When mocking it up right now, I feel like it's gonna fit pretty good. It's Seibon carbon fiber. I already took the liberty of moving over the windshield washers, even though they're not hooked up to anything, but there's holes there, so I had to fill it in. Let's see if we can get this thing on. Let's go. Alright, so the fitment on the sides looks pretty good. Then this side too looks pretty good. It looks lifted a tiny bit from the fender. I'll have to work on that. I'm not sure if the headlights are just kind of like lower or if the hood is supposed to actually go a little bit lower. I'm going to throw on the nose panel. Now let's take another look. So I think it's actually a mix of both. I think the headlights are sitting a little low. They're lower than the nose panel already. They're even, but kind of low. And then I also feel like the hood needs to go a little bit lower. Look at this. Like right there looks a lot better. Let's push this in front just for fun. That is pretty close to what the front end is going to be looking like. I haven't really worked with carbon at all, so I'm not sure exactly what to do with this, but I'm gonna ask some friends and see what we can get done, because I want this fitting right. I don't want the hood to pop up while you're driving, you know. And I think I'm gonna put some hood pins on here as well, like right here. But let's get this fitting right first, and then we'll look into that. Next, the front bumper still needs to get wrapped, but I'm gonna finish sanding it, get it mounted up, make sure everything lines up before getting the wrap done so I don't mess it up. But let me continue sanding this. I'm gonna get the bracket that's on the original front bumper too, move that over to this one because it has some clips. The hook underneath the nose panel goes up there. I gotta say, this is pretty terrifying drilling into this bumper. It's not a cheap bumper. So I drew little X's where I think the holes need to be. I'm gonna try to use this. Again though, it mounts up behind, it's this one. It mounts up behind it as like some extra support. So I'm gonna try to use that again, but keep it more rigid along that body line as well, which would be good. Let's try it. Drilled the holes, so lines up pretty good first try, honestly. So that one back there will be fine. I want to push this second bolt back a little bit and then pull this one forward a tiny bit. I don't really like how soft this corner is, but I've seen those complaints about these bumpers, so we're just gonna make do. It still looks really good. So here's how we're looking. Crazy mean. as you can see, much later, but I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. Here's kind of where we got to. Fitment is pretty good. I'm gonna give it maybe an 8 out of 10, mostly because of this side. So if that other corner lines up, this one is a little short. So I'm gonna have to compromise and just do half and half, I guess. Let me move this out of the way. But that is where we're at. It's looking so good, I'm so stoked. Thanks for joining me, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.